Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now look what I got. I know yesterday or the day before when I was doing my video on doing this page, I had it in the wrong place, this camera, so I'm hoping now that you'll be able to see what I'm doing a bit better. I'm actually scratching through all these bits and pieces I've got here to find what I need to put on this page. I'm going to have a mouthful of water. As usual, and I've just got bits and pieces all over the place here that I've been wrong arm. Oh, I don't know which arm's in front of the camera. It's shooting back the front, that thing, so I'm well, it's come back anyway. Let's not worry too much about this a minute. Now this is how far I got with what I was doing yesterday when it turned off, because I didn't know how to format the card, and my daughter's been here and she fixed it for me yesterday. So only thing I've done is, like, I'm just trying to figure out what I should do. I made that little flower there. Well, it's not that little. It's all fluffy. I'm sorry about that, but that happens. And I put a bit of bling in the middle that sort of blend goes with the rest of it. So now I need to finish this page because I just need to. I'm getting a bit over that, and I'm going to show you another one that I did earlier on that I don't think I've shown it to you yet. But anyway, so I'm not too disappointed with how that's worked out so far. But I was going to put a bit more bling on here. I thought that this would look okay under there. I did. Which way will I put that? Isn't that nice? This is another piece I've got from somewhere. I don't know whether it was somebody actually gifted me this, or I got it myself from India. I don't know. But anyway, if somebody give it to me, thank you very much. And I'm not going to cut off too much of the... I'm sorry, you can see my belly. I'm sorry. Is that the right way? No. How about that way? That might be a bit better. Right. And I'm going to put that so the this part here is covering up the edge of the paper. So I'm just going to take a little bit off this part. Okay. Take a bit off that side, so it's not actually running right over the lady's face, but it's still covering it up there a bit. I'm a little bit disappointed about where I've put the guitar, but it's okay. We'll work on that somehow. Now I don't know about that. Crafting with me could end up to be a bit annoying for you, but everybody said that they enjoyed doing this with me, so that was good. I do think I'll put a bit of this. You know, I've got a thing about this. Oh, look, it's got a bit on there. I could loop something onto it. See, it's got one of them things. The only thing I'm worried about is if it's in the shot properly. When I did that, when I've done it before, I've been quite happy with how it turned out, but for some reason, the one I did the other day just didn't work as good. So this here, it's got that loop. This is off the front of a shirt. Okay, so it's got a loopy bit there I could use for hanging something on, couldn't I? But that's not the... That's going to be the spine. And this part here, we've got a loopy bit facing another way, so you can put it on there. Yeah, look at this. I'll take this off this here and do this button. It's two loopy bits. I do like to utilise these sort of things because that way, you know, you've got... see, now this has got a bit of blue in it. It's got the colours that would, you know, that go alright. So I'm going to put that down here. Right, I am. And then I've got little loops, look here. See, little loopy thing. got some new glue, but since this one here's run down, I'm going to actually use this morning to, you know, use it up. You don't want to waste it, so I'm going to put this down here. I wonder how far that went. I don't know about other people, but when you craft, you know, sometimes you do have a change of heart on what you want to do, how you want it to look. So I do want that there. Yes, that's nice. Okay, I'm happy with that bit. I don't believe I laid that in there. Oh, Sonia, dear me. Yeah, I got a new glue. Okay, so that piece can come down there like that. Now I'm wanting to put anything here, something in here to make this a cozy nest here of good nice bits. Wait a minute, that's too blingy for that part. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to put it there because I was going to a minute ago and have decided that I will. You just don't know how these things are going to turn out until you really, you know, do a lot of work on them. Sometimes, you know, like they're not looking so great, but then they work out okay. I went and did a bit of shopping yesterday. I didn't buy anything much in the way of anything exciting. I went to Vinnie's. Oh, I've got a bit of jewellery there. I can show you that later. Now, is this off-putting? Is that starting to look weird? It could be, you know. Here I need something small. I did make a flower, but I wasn't really overly impressed with that. Actually, I'm going to put that blue bit up there, aren't I? I'm going to put that blue bit there. What do you reckon? Yeah. Yes, I do want to put that there because I need to. And this is off a piece that I was gifted to somebody in my giveaway. And I'm sorry I do say somebody, but I can't remember everybody's name and who gave me what, because, and then of course I've got it all in a little, no, it's not a little box, but I've got most of it in a box behind me. I'm going to show it to you later on, but I want to do some. I was going to say that this morning I didn't feel like doing this. I wanted to do something else, because I always want to do something else. I do. Will that go underneath that? No? Okay, let's leave it there. Let's not be too worried about it. I want to show it to you. You know, when I looked at the video of this, it didn't look as good as what it does sitting here. So I hope you aren't too. I need to be working on something that's on a slope, don't I? So you can see it. Oh well, we're doing the best we can. Okay. Now I've worked for 5 years doing it the way I did, so I can't keep worrying about it or mucking around with it, can I? It's just been a bit silly, been worried all the time about the camera. I think it's fine. You're not getting me work done properly fiddling around here worrying about this. If you can't see it, I'm terribly sorry, but I just hope that you can. Look, isn't that beautiful? I do like that. You know what, it doesn't go on here at all, does it? That'll go in a nice shabby chic one, won't it? That will. It'll go lovely in the shabby chic piece. Now I've got these dangly bits there that I can put stuff on. I don't know what I think about this green piece hanging down here. Let me tuck it up underneath and see if we miss it. I feel like chopping that off, I really do. Putting some jewellery on it. What do you reckon? Should I chop it off and put some jewellery there? This is getting glue stuck to it everywhere. I have to wait till it dries a bit and then we'll take it off. We'll heat it up and take it off, I think. A bit of glue. Oh dear, oh dear. Anyway, it's Saturday morning here and I was not wanting to go up the town, but now I have to because I only drink bottled water. And I've just got 1 or 2 bottles left. I don't really want to go. Isn't that dreadful? But I just don't want to go. I've got a big dollop of glue there on my picture. Maybe that means it's got to be covered over, does it? What is this piece here? I don't know. What do I need on that bit? I'm sort of at a little bit of a standstill on this, you know. Like I feel like I've not done enough, but can't continue on. You know how that is. So you know what? I'm just going to give that a little rest for a while. I don't know what you think about it. Oh well, everybody said it was going along all right. I just think it needs. Well, it does need a bit here and a bit here yet. That I need to deal with. I just sort of feel that I've lost that connection with it or something. But anyway, so this is the first page that I made, and you will probably remember that one, isn't it? No, it's not. It's the second page I made, because this is the one with the zippy in it, see? It's got a hidden zipper in there. Some of you may not have seen it, and some of you may have seen it. Look at that, see, there's a secret pocket there, so that's cool. Yes, so that's not bad, is it? Then I did, the next one I did was this one here. I really, really like that. You like that one? I do like that one too. And then I did this one, which I did show on the first video that I did the other day, only I had to take it off because I wasn't even in the shot. So this is the one that I've made before I've started on the next one here, which is that one. And I'm really pleased with it, except I have a space here yet to do. And that's what I feel like on this. I feel like I need to put... Anyway, so in here it says, the secrets of life are hidden in the daily routine. And then it says it's got a karma spell on the back of there. And I really do like that, because I do believe in karma. And, yeah, but anyway, we can, that one is really pretty. I do like it, except I've got that too heavy and it's hanging on it. So, I'm thinking about putting something else in that centre part there, because each page is not actually finished, as you can see. That they're not, there's two here that I need to complete. But then again, you know what? I don't know. But I do have to put something around the edge of this, around these parts here, because I don't feel like, you know, I feel like they're bare. And I've got to work on this tambourine, which I will get to. I have my door, and it's got these little things hanging on here. Look, they look like little lights, don't they? Except I found a smaller one, which I think might be a little bit better. It's a bit smaller. I don't know yet. I've got those ones on there, so I may stick with those. And this is going to go onto this piece, I think, because I want it to have a, it'll have, I've got the part here for it to open and shut, see? Alright, so this is going to be the longest project in history, I think. But you know what? I need to just have a little break from it, because sometimes when you're doing something, you know, you sort of feel you've got to have that thing, you know. Sometimes you can get on here and you can work like flat out and get things done. So that'll be the door. That'll be the next page. On every other side here, there will be a pocket of some sort with some sort of thing in it, okay? Don't know yet what, it'll be a surprise. In each one of these, there will be a journal. A small journal, but a journal. So it can be a gypsy type journal booky thing. I don't think I'm going to make it much bigger than this, because of the amount of work that's in that anyway. I mean, I know people like to have, you know, 60 pages, but this is something that's not going to be able to do 60 pages in, because, well, each one of these is going to have, I'm going to make a journal and put in the top, right? The journal will be the size maybe of this with all pages in it, and we'll come back one day and we'll do that. Okay, we'll make the journal and we'll work a bit more on this. All right, but anyway, I really thank you for watching. I don't think I feel like I want to do any more on this today. I do want to do something else. I always want to do something else. Oh, and I've got this because this was a gift in something that I got from Michelle. Now, that's the best little bag. I'm sorry, my throat's... Anyway, isn't that cool? And the way that it hangs is even better still. So that will be going on to... Have I got another page here that I want to do? It'll be going onto a page. I'll be putting that onto a page. And actually, you know what? I could end up making more than this pages, because if I don't have to rush it, and if I'm not going to be, you know, I can put more pages to it, eh? It could go on for years. But anyway, I hope you're not disappointed with that I can't, I don't know, I just don't feel like I want to do that today. There's some projects out there that you can't continue with because of one reason or another, and mine is that I'm just too over it today. I just didn't feel like I wanted to do that. So I'll have other things that I want to do, and I will come back and I'll do another video. And I'm going to see, well, if I started out, the thing is I've got all this, but I haven't started putting it into there, but I will start something different with these. But I need to go back to my paper thing that I'm doing. This here, which is as stiff as a board. Oh dear. Anyway, let's turn this one off and and get to the next one. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and please, I don't mind if you comment, because I do love your comments. And we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.